Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. This week in one of my classes, we ended up discussing cute animal videos that we'd been watching, as you do. And one of my students was talking about a video where a cat adopted some little baby ducklings shortly after having given birth to a litter of kittens herself. Basically, she had all these little kittens, and then these ducklings suddenly appeared, and this cat just took them into the fold and looked after them as if they were her own. In this context, the fold basically means the safety and comfort of a group that's like you, or a group with similar values or similar beliefs. So maybe, if you're lucky, when you get married, your in-laws, your wife or husband's parents, might take you into the fold and accept you as one of their own. Maybe if there's a problem in a family, maybe a son has fallen out with the dad or something, the mother might desperately try to draw the son back into the family fold. Sometimes when countries do terrible things, as Russia is doing with its war on Ukraine at the moment, it will be a long time, or it'll take a long time, before those countries are accepted back into the international fold. And this phrase is also often used when talking about politics. So here in the UK at the moment, the Green Party is welcoming disillusioned Labour voters into the fold. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use taking people into the fold, welcoming people into the fold, drawing people back into the family fold, and so on.